We're a little low on fuel, so the first thing we will do is go fill up. Hi guys, my name is Abhimanyu. I am the Manyu part of Moto Manyu. The Moto part of Moto Manyu is right behind me. I've been riding motorcycles for the last 10 years. I talk to myself a lot when I'm riding, so I thought it might be fun to share some of the things, the sights, the experiences and the things that I see on the road. Bike is refueled to the brim, and I'm just going to take us for a quick spin into the city while I talk to you about some interesting stuff. Ready? Let's go. So I figured the safest way to step out without exposing myself and others to any risk is to get onto a motorcycle. This way I'm pretty distant from everyone. I always have my helmet on and I don't talk to anyone on the road, take off my helmet or do that. So I think we should be good. Since you're already here, let me tell you a little bit about this motorcycle. I bought her back, her, him, I don't know. I don't have any specific gender feelings towards the motorcycle. Maybe we should do a vote and we should pick a name. So anyway, I bought this motorcycle 7 years ago, almost exactly 7 years ago, just about a month out from its anniversary. I was living in Ahmedabad, a city in Gujarat at that time. And I rode it for about a couple of years before I moved to Italy. And for about 3 years, it was just parked in my basement. And my mother and my father used to ride it around, but mostly it was just parked. So when I moved back, I decided I'd spend a lot more time on the saddle. So what you're seeing now is that effort to get on the bike, because it's a lot of fun. It wakes you up. It's also a bit of cardio because this is a decently heavy bike. I'll talk about the specs of the bike in a bit. So it's good for me and it's very, very fun. Okay, let's talk about the motorcycle. This is a Triumph Bonneville. The name Triumph is obviously, it's a British brand that has been making motorcycles for, I don't know, maybe 100 years. And the Bonneville is a modern classic, which means it's a modern interpretation of an old bike, a 1970s bike, which is why you must have seen that it looks like a very retro styled motorcycle. It doesn't have all those plastic fairings and all of that. So that is the style aspect of the bike. It has an 865cc engine. To put it into perspective, if you live in India, a Maruti 800 has a similar 800cc engine. It's an old, the Alto, that car, has a smaller engine than this bike. And it makes about 52 bhp and 52 or 55 Newton meter of torque. Don't ask me what that means. To put it into comparison, most cars make about, most small cars like the Alto make about 70 or 80. Sometimes the better ones, the better hatchbacks make about 90 horsepower. So, and they obviously weigh over a ton. This bike weighs about 240 kg, so that is quite a decent amount of power for that weight. It's not a fast motorcycle, like a very fast motorcycle, so I would not classify it as, not obviously going to be classified as a super bike. It's very relaxed. It's not trying to kill you, which you won't be surprised to know that most 1000cc bikes are trying to do that. Think of them as scalpels, like a doctor's knife. Sorry to be preachy. If you make a mistake, you're going to end up spraying a lot of blood. Wow, that analogy worked better than expected. With this bike, I can do this. I can do that and not worry about being killed. I mean, obviously, if I'm stupid, this bike will do that, and I've had a couple of accidents in the past. I'll talk about those in a later video maybe. If you've been unable to step out because of the lockdown in your country, in your city, I hope this video helps make you feel a little less claustrophobic. The making of it is definitely helping me feel very, very unclaustrophobic. Where am I going? I'm nowhere in particular actually. We're just riding across town and I want to talk about an interesting thing that I spoke with my friend about. We'll start that in a bit.